Ya,
dua tujuh. Enak sekali.
Enak.
Oh, aku cinta. Aku cinta rendang.
Aku cinta.
Oh, 1 second.
Pedas. Kamu pedas ya?
Be happy for this moment. Welcome to the family, as I am.
Hai, selamat pagi. Ini kegiatannya hari Selasa. Dan ini kalian nontonnya hari Rabu ya. Sekarang tanggal 12. Kalian nontonnya tanggal 13 ya. Jadi ini vlog yang masih benar-benar seger gitu. Satu hari sebelum tayang dibikin. Karena kesibukannya ya, banyak banget sekarang kegiatan. Belanja ke pasar, beres restoran, masak, kerja dari pagi sampai malam gitu. Pulang-pulang, tepar, balik ke apartemen, tidur, besok gitu lagi. Ini aku lagi beres-beres, karena bentar lagi aku bakal kedatangan tamu. Bintang tamu kali ini, ya, jadi aku bakal ada bintang tamu nih. Bintang tamu kali ini tuh seorang warga keturunan, dan dia tuh sangat cinta banget dan bangga banget punya darah Indonesianya. Jadi di sini emang aku tertarik untuk bisa ngajak dia ke YouTube aku ya. Jauh datangnya dari Enschede, jadi perjalanan itu kira-kira sekitar 2 jaman lah untuk bisa sampai ke sini. Dan kemarin aku sempat nanya mau makan apa, jawabannya apa coba kira-kira? Rendang. Ya udah, kalau rendang mah itu hal buat aku mah hal kecil banget. Jadi aku masakin rendang hari ini sama dia. Tentu saja kalau masak rendang aku selalu pakai bumbu rendang instan. Bukan karena malas masak, tapi ini memang praktis dan rasanya memang enak banget. Makanya aku dengan bangga akan memperkenalkan bumbu rendang dari Abro Food. Ini airnya sudah aku masak, tinggal dicemplungin dagingnya, terus masukin santan, masukin bumbunya, itu enak banget. Dan aku tuh kan orang Bengkulu dan aku tuh sangat bangga jadi warga orang Bengkulu ya. Jangan lupa dimasukin kacang merah. Ini sengaja dagingnya aku potong gede-gede, supaya berasa benar-benar nanti ya kayak makan rendang di Indonesia. Kan daging itu kalau di Indonesia kan lebar-lebar ya. Dagingnya langsung aku rebus. Jadi masak pakai Abro Food ini gampang banget ya sih. Buat yang mau travel gitu, bisa masak di kamar hotel, atau yang lagi umroh, naik haji, pengen makan rendang masakan sendiri, tinggal beli aja bumbunya di Shopee. Udah nih, satu bumbu gini aja bisa masak daging sebanyak itu. Nah itu kan udah mendidih lagi tuh airnya ya. Sekarang kita masukin santan. Pokoknya kalau yang beli ini tuh semua aturannya sudah ada di di kotaknya. Jadi tuh gampang banget nih bikin ini. Tinggal masukin santan dan tinggal ditambahin bumbu ini aja. Jadi bentuknya tuh di dalamnya tuh kayak gini nih ya. Jadi kalau udah dikeluarin dari kandangnya, dari kotaknya, tuh isinya kayak gini semuanya. Udah nggak usah ditambah-tambahin apa-apa lagi, nggak usah ribet, langsung jadi. Dan diaduk, ya, diratain bumbunya, tinggal ditutup. Hai, kamu apa? Alles goed jongen?
Goed, met jou?
Goed.
Zo.
Alleen?
Ja, ik ben alleen vandaag.
Oh, oké. Is moeilijk te vinden?
Nee, dat is best wel makkelijk eigenlijk.
Kom binnen. Kita kedatangan tamu yang ini tadi aku sebutin, namanya siapa?
Nama saya Marciano Arts.
Ya. Umurnya berapa? Ya,
Dua tujuh?
No, 2. No, 1, 2, 3.
Empat.
Yes.
Empat,
Jadi
ya.
kamu umurnya berapa?
I'm studying Indonesian to bahasa, so
Ya. Jadi umur kamu udah 24.
24.
Ya. Marciano itu bukan nama Belanda, tapi lebih nama Itali.
Nama
Iya.
Itali. Ya.
Kenapa?
Nama Itali. Rocky Marciano.
Ya, why?
My parents were fan of Rocky Marciano.
Oh.
The boxer.
Jadi jadi cerita tadi kita sempat ngobrol-ngobrol sama Marciano. Jadi opa dan omanya ini adalah orang Indonesia dari Surabaya.
Surabaya.
Ya, jadi mamanya Marciano ini nikah dengan sama orang Belanda. Namanya siapa? Wait your father?
Peter Arts.
Ya,
Peter Arts.
dan dia adalah salah seorang profesional kickboxer.
Ya.
Tapi sekarang udah pensiun dan sekarang Marciano yang ngikutin jejaknya dia. Dan tadi aku tanya kenapa namanya Marciano bukan seperti nama Belanda.
Rocky Marciano is a very famous boxer from who lived in America, but he had Italian origin.
Okay, that's why your
So,
name is
yeah.
Marciano.
He was the first undefeated heavyweight boxer.
Okay.
I still have family, but it's a bit further. Like my grandfather's mother's sister,
Yeah.
and there I have the family from. But we're not in touch yet. But I'm
Yeah.
trying to get in touch now
Okay.
because it's far.
Yeah.
But my mother has some letters with the family because
Yeah.
the family is called Kartawijaya.
Where is in Surabaya?
Where in Surabaya?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know where in Surabaya.
But
so
you've been to Surabaya?
Yeah.
Yeah. But only in Surabaya, or you go to the village, ke desa-desa?
Yeah, I went to my grandfather's house.
Where?
Like when he was very young. Oh, I'm afraid I don't know exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do remember, but like where? It's very close to the Tulu.
Tulungagung?
Yeah.
Is that
The
Tulungagung?
Tulu, the monument. The monument.
Tugu Hiu.
Yeah.
Tugu Hiu. Aku pikir Tulungagung mungkin tempat lain. Oke, Marciano, kamu request rendang. Kenapa kamu suka rendang?
Rendang is one of my favorites.
Okay.
It's good protein.
Yeah.
And you know, if you're not a real Indonesian or Indo when
Yeah.
you don't like rendang, so
Yeah. Okay. Do you eat almost every week, once a week, once a month rendang?
Mostly nasi goreng.
Yeah.
I make that a lot, but sometimes rendang and
Yeah.
sometimes soto.
Okay.
ayam,
Also
I really
ayam.
like
Can you
it.
make for yourself?
Not yet.
Okay, your mother.
Yeah, my mother is really good at making
Okay.
Indonesian, but soon I'm gonna learn from you.
Ya, oke, of course. Nanti kita undang ke berempat. Dan Marciano ini adalah boxer, bukan kickboxer ya.
Yeah.
Apa perbedaan antara boxer dan kickboxer?
Boxing, you are allowed to make knees and kicks.
Yes.
And with boxing, it's only the hands.
Oh, oke. You
So
do
that's
only
a
with
bit-
hand.
Yeah. Now boxing and kickboxing both.
Oke.
So normally kickboxing,
Ya.
but not too long ago I made the step over to boxing.
Oke.
So now I try to combine it.
Yeah.
And after that, we're gonna see what
Ya.
it's really gonna be.
Jadi latihan tiap hari.
Yeah, every day.
Satu hari berapa jam?
Like two trainings and
Two trainings.
3 hours.
Tadi masih sekolah.
Studio, yeah.
Ya. Marciano ini rendangnya, jadi udah aku masak dari tadi supaya kamu nggak nunggunya lama. Tuh, sekarang kamu yang masak.
Enak sekali.
Enak?
Enak.
Ya, kamu harus coba nanti.
Bumbu rendang.
Ya,
Overfood.
ya, bumbu rendang overfood.
The best.
Ini sebentar lagi bakal mateng, jadi kita akan campurin sama kacang merah ya. Oh. Cobain itu dulu.
Reza,
Ya,
aku mau bumbu ini.
mau bumbu ini? Mau?
Ya.
Oke. Ya,
Ya.
aduk. Jadi kamu belajar bahasa Indonesia juga hari ini. Enak, suka nggak? Enak.
Aku cinta. Aku cinta rendang. Aku cinta.
Oke guys, sekarang kita mau makan dulu sama Mas Marciano. Kamu tahu nggak panggil Mas? Mas. Ya, di Indonesia, people gonna call you Mas. every man is mas.
Mas.
Yeah, Mbak is for woman. Every woman, if they know each other, they call Mbak and Mas.
Mbak, Mas. Yeah.
Yeah. So you are Mas Marciano.
Mas Reza.
Mas Reza, yeah. So if you go to the restaurant and then you want to order something, you don't call waiters of sir. You said Mbak,
Okay.
Mas.
Mas. Okay.
Yeah. It's easy, right?
Yeah.
Ya, makkelijker. Oke, Mika, kita makan dulu. Ini hari ini konsepnya itu benar-benar makan di lantai. Kita makan pakai tangan ya, beda home. Ya.
Indo style.
Indo style
Indo
ya.
style.
Oke. Boleh diambil nasinya, Marciano, dan kita sebagai orang Indonesia jangan lupa makan sambal. Ini sambalnya pedas ya.
Sambal. Yeah.
It's really
Bagus.
spicy.
Ooh.
I don't know if you can eat that.
Julep. Let's find out.
Oke. And the rendang.
En de rendang.
Ya. You can start.
No, wait.
Okay.
Together.
Okay. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sambal.
Sambal.
Let's try a little bit first.
Ya, jangan banyak-banyak dulu.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan. So Marciano, how you learn bahasa now?
You know.
It's from internet, from someone, or from your friends.
So I grew up with basic words in Bahasa
Yeah.
from my grandfather and my mother because
Yeah.
my mother can also speak Bahasa.
Yeah.
But now I take classes online.
Online. Yeah.
Yeah, on something called Preply.
Okay.
So I've been having classes for a few weeks now.
Every day.
No, every other day, like
Okay.
every 2 days.
Mm-hmm. Good.
So that's why I take classes now.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I hope to be fluent.
Jadi ada les sekarang seminggu berapa kali gitu. Dia harap bahasa Indonesia itu bakal bagus banget gitu. How do you taste rendang?
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
It's so good. This is the best rendang I've had.
I told you.
Sorry, mama. So good.
Mm. I sent you to your address home. Enam.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Dia belum tahu kalau rendang itu paling enak. Oke, Marciano. You are now professional boxer.
Yeah, kickboxer.
Kickboxer, ya. When you started?
One second.
Pedas. Kamu pedas ya?
Yes, yeah. A big bite. No, I started fighting when I was 14 years old. I started.
Okay.
Now I'm 24.
Okay.
So.
Why you choose kickboxer? Because I already talking about your father.
Yeah, that's also how I started. I used to play many sports before kickboxing.
Yeah.
I did taekwondo, I did football like
Yeah.
everybody
Yeah.
here.
Mhm.
But one day, and basketball, just before I started kickboxing. And I came home and all of a sudden I said I want to do kickboxing.
Mm-hmm.
And 2-3 months later I already had my first fight.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how I got into kickboxing, because my father was a professional kickboxer.
Maybe because you are when you are a child, when you are kids, you're watching a lot from your father.
Yes,
Maybe because of this.
Mhm.
Do you think so?
I grew up watching him, and he was
Fighting.
always training, fighting, and that's how I got into it too.
Apa yang sudah kamu pelajari dalam bahasa Indonesia?
Now I'm yesterday's class I was taught about food, so today is perfect to eat some rendang.
Yeah.
But some basic things like how to tell my name, to count,
Yeah.
even though sometimes I still need to think a lot about it,
Yeah.
and some numbers. So not too much yet, but I'm still trying my best.
Okay, from 1 until 10, you know how to tell?
Yeah.
How to count now?
Mhm.
Okay, try now.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Delapan? Or is
Yeah.
it 8?
7.
Tujuh,
It's tujuh.
Delapan. What's 9 again?
Sembilan.
Sembilan, Sembilan, and 10.
Yeah.
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 Okay, so still need to practice a little bit more, but it's getting somewhere.
Yeah.
Be happy for this moment. Welcome to the family, as I am.